800. That's my bad.
Oh, okay, no. You get good waters.
Berkeley College.
Oh! You live in Brooklyn?
The coach, yeah.
Oh. You guys play against Baruch this year, right?
What school you going to?
Baruch. I used to play with them.
You play with Baruch?
Yeah.
Oh, man. What a waste of time. Baruch doesn't have such a great program.
Not great, exactly. But they are like getting good. They're the nationals.
You guys go to nationals?
Yeah.
What year?
Last year and one before. 2012 and 13.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. I didn't see you guys over there.
Yeah.
You was there last year.
Oh, really?
Do you know a guy named Kevin?
Romero.
Yeah.
Yes.
He play over there.
He's the best.